August whiteboard wall, quotes, motivation for work, school, and home. August isn't just the end of summer. It's the golden hour of the year, and your walls should feel it too. Poet Denise Levertov once wrote, "Breathe the sweetness that hovers in August." Imagine that quote handwritten across an entire wall, not squeezed onto a sticky note. Traditional corkboards and tiny whiteboards limit your thinking to a small frame. But a floor-to-ceiling whiteboard painted wall turns any room into a living canvas for goals, plans, and inspiration. As Malcolm X said, education is the passport to the future. And with an entire wall to write on, students and teachers can map timelines, solve problems, and learn hands-on, not just sit and listen. This August, wipe the slate clean, pick up a marker, and let your whiteboard wall reflect your boldest vision for work, school, and home. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.